Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting root access because you can't change Sudo without it. Boot Kali into a live USB or single user mode and mount the root file system if using a live environment. Once done, identify the installed system partition and the username whose sudo failed. Make sure you have a working root shell. Sudo or su may be broken, so root into the mounted system or use the live image's root to run commands on the target file system. This gives you the privileges to repair sudo safely. With root access active, root into the target system so your fixes apply correctly. Mount bind/dev/proc/sys and root/mnt/target. Once inside, reinstall sudo to restore missing binaries and configs, apt update and apt install reinstall sudo. Then check /etc/sudoers and files in /etc/sudoers. D for syntax, ownership root, and mode 0440. Use sudo to safely edit. If a user lost sudo rights, add them to the sudo or admin group using usermod a gsudo username. These steps repair typical sudo failures. Finish by exiting the root, unmounting binds and partitions, and rebooting into your regular Kali system to test sudo functionality. If sudo still fails, use sudo c to validate syntax without saving. Correct errors reported before testing again. If you made a bad change, boot the live image and restore a backup copy of /etc/sudoers or revert changes made in /etc/sudoers. D. One key troubleshooting tip. Always keep a copy of the original sudoers and use sudo for edits to avoid lockouts that require live recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.